This is Scott from KIG. It's May 12th, 2016. And we're going to do a brief little video of this 2008 40-ton York chiller, which is presently still connected to power at our customer here in Massachusetts. This is a dimension of 2008. It's a YCAL 0041, and then a whole bunch of other numbers, which we obviously have recorded. System pressure test, which is usually how you identify the year of York chillers. May 15th, 2008. It's a 460 volt 3-phase unit. We're going to come over to the controller screen here. I'm going to do a couple things before we power it up. We've run it today. We've heated it up, if you can use heat as a word. It's about 70 degrees out today. We've heated the fluid back up to about 55 or so. And the pumps, the glycol pumps, are actually inside the building. There is actually fluid running through the unit right now, but you really can't hear it. This tells us that the flow switch is no run permission. We do have to put a new flow switch on here. It's no big deal. We did confirm it has flow right now, but again, we are putting on a new flow switch on it. For operating data, I'm going to go to the hours screen, and you'll see system 1 hours 11,319 and system 2 hours 11,424. I'll go back to the status screen. What we're going to do here is, this is essentially our enable switch. This used to have a remote enable. All I got to do is turn this on. The compressors are already turned on. Actually, in this case here, we have one compressor that turned on. Now, we do know that as per the message we left the customer, we're going to replace, we're going to rebuild, pull the fan motors and put new bearings in the fan motors, which is something we do often. How do we get it to the temperature screen? To show the temperature.
Oh, just
okay. So that's your leaving chilled water temperature and your return right now. And again, we have right now there's 1 of 4 compressors. Now there's 2 of 4 compressors kicked in. To turn all 4 on with pretty much no load right now, we're going to end the video in a second. Or actually, we're just going to have to turn the unit off and turn it back on so we can see the other compressors on. Right now, it's these 2 on the right that are running and chilling. This fan's working. And this fan's running right now. The other 2 are not yet. As mentioned, we're going to pull all 4 fan motors and have the bearings rebuilt. 2 of the fans are VFD drives. The variable frequency drives, if you can see them, are back in here. And all our original compressors. This flow switch is sticking because it's been sitting for a while. So we're replacing that too. And basically this is providing chilled glycol to some air handlers up on the roof in this factory here. I'll turn it off now. 46 and 52 there. We're going to turn the unit off. Okay. And so we're going to turn it off, then turn it back on, so then the computer in the chiller knows to start the next two other compressors, kind of alternating back and forth. And we're just going to do that so you can show that all four compressors work. Okay.
Fortunately, there's a lot of loop volume, so.
There's a lot of loop volume here, yeah. So, right off the bat, when Dana pressed the enable switch, that's the third compressor that we've seen running so far. These might be controlling. Okay, turn one of the fans on here. This was actually running, set up, or the set point was actually down in the 30s for the original operation, 34. Now you can see we've got the other two compressors going. Going now. This one. On video it doesn't look like it's moving, but it's spinning fast. So what we'll do is we're going to terminate it right here. By the shut-off, drain whatever glycol we can, and then it'll ship out, cut off here. It's kind of in a ditch behind these cinder blocks in this parking lot, but we're going to have a crane come over here and lift this unit out. We have two other chillers at this site. Go back over. Back with a video number 2 in a second as we get closer to 34 to